Today I am going to solve the question of depreciation. Here question number 2 of T.S. Grewal. The question is Ram and Company purchased machinery for rupees 21,000 on 1st April 2019. The estimated useful life of the machinery is 10 years, and after which its realizable value will be rupees 1000. 1000 रुपया रिसीजुअल वैल्यू है या रियलाइजेबल वैल्यू है. Depreciate the amount of determine the amount of annual depreciation according to a straight line method and prepare machinery account for first 3 years. The books are closed on 31st March. कंपनी 1 अप्रैल 2019 को 21,000 में मशीनरी परचेज करती है. मशीनरी का एस्टिमेटेड वर्किंग लाइफ 10 ईयर है और आफ्टर 10 ईयर द मशीनरी रियलाइज्ड रुपीज़ 1000 ओनली. You have to determine the amount of annual depreciation according to a straight line method and prepare machinery account for 3 years. The book of the company are closed on 31st March every year. First of all, in working we will calculate the yearly depreciation. Here the formula is yearly depreciation is equal to cost of assets minus scrap value by number of estimated working life. The cost of machinery is 21,000 minus rupees 1000 scrap value is given by 10 years minus 20,000 by 2. Here the 2000. This is the annual depreciation. Company have to charge depreciation annually rupees 2000. Now see the machinery account. For preparing machinery account you have to draw the column. Here the first column for date, second particular, third amount, fourth date and fifth particular, sixth is for amount. Here debit side we have mentioned sign of debit and here credit side. Below the amount we have mentioned the sign of currency here. And now see how the accounts is prepared. First is here on 1st April 2019 Ram and Company purchased machinery for rupees 21,000. The entry will be machinery account debit to bank account. Machinery is debited, so in the debit side we write here to bank account. To bank account. $2,000 21,000. Machinery was purchased for rupees 21,000. In the last of the year start on 1st April and end on 31st March. Here we mention the year 2020 March 31st. When depreciation is charged, the entry is depreciation account debit to machinery account. जब depreciation charge किया जाता है तो जर्नल एंट्री लिखते हैं depreciation account debit to machinery account. Machinery is credited in this entry, so in the credit side we write here by depreciation account. By depreciation account. Depreciation account. Amount of depreciation is here 2000. We will mention here 2000. Now balance the ledger. There is no other entry. By balance CD. Do the total of debit side here 21,000. Same total we write here 21,000. Here in credit side, the amount is 2,000, so we deduct 2,000 from 21,000. Balance will come here 19,000. Now transfer this amount in the next year. Here we mention 2020 April 1st. By balance reader 19,000 we transfer here to balance reading. जब बैलेंस को डेबिट साइड में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे तो लिखेंगे टू बैलेंस BD और ईयर का फर्स्ट डेट डालेंगे अप्रैल 1st. अमाउंट इज 19,000. We again at the end of the year we charge depreciation. Here year start on 1st April 2020, so end on 31st March 2021. Here we mention 2021 March 31st. यहाँ March 31st लिखेंगे. By again we charge depreciation. The entry depreciation account debit to machinery account. Machinery is credited, so in credit side we write by depreciation because we are preparing depreciation account as machinery account. हम लोग मशीनरी अकाउंट बना रहे हैं. इस एंट्री में मशीनरी क्रेडिट है, इसलिए मशीनरी के क्रेडिट साइड में लिखेंगे बाय डेप्रिसिएशन. Amount of depreciation will be same here because we are preparing the machinery account as per a straight line method.